How to make two accounts on Snapchat. So here is Snapchat, and basically if you tap on your profile in top left and tap on geo settings in top right, basically I have two accounts. It's quite convenient. I don't know if it's prohibited by Snapchat or not. I don't know, just you decide. Maybe like whatever your use case is. But basically, if you just sign in with another account, your password is being saved in iCloud, and Snapchat somehow identifies automatically that password. And then when you try, for example, use your account, just make sure to enable this check mark to save login info on your cloud devices. And then when you do that, then basically Snapchat will automatically save that info. And when you try to log in, it will automatically log in you super easy, and you don't need to enter password all the time. Of course, your password can be saved on iCloud or 1Password, whatever you're using. But this is just quite convenient feature from Snapchat if you're managing two accounts or multiple accounts. Maybe even like, I don't know how many you can add. Maybe you can add like 3, 5, or yeah. So just give it a try.